So, 3 days ago, Anthropic launched their new state of the art model, Fable 5, and they were claiming it as a Mythos grade model, which is their cybersecurity model, which have identified many bugs in many state of the art systems like Microsoft system and other systems, basically. So that model, Mythos, were only accessible to big tech companies, and this Fable 5 they released for the general public. So just 3 days after 3 days, US government have banned that Fable 5, and the reason US government is giving is that Fable 5 is leaking some hijacking techniques. Basically, it's not very secure and it can easily be hijackable using particular technique you government have figured out. So Anthropic is saying that basically the leak or the hijacking is not very much harmful, or it's not very dangerous. It's just giving very minor information which is not very harmful, so we can fix that, and they will definitely come back again and we can see the Fable 5 again, hopefully. The government told Anthropic that you have to ban the model all over the world except US. So they have permission to run the model still on the US, but because infrastructure, I believe they don't have set up for particular countries banning and not banning. So that's why they have to take it down in the US as well, and then maybe they will figure out how only make it enable on US and then not enable all over the world. So then they will make it enable on US, and then if they solved, then they maybe make it enable for all over the world. So the thing, what is LLM hijacking? Many people don't know that LLM can be hijacked. There are two type of hacking basically we can do on LLM. One is um, prompt injection, sorry, and the other is LLM hijacking. So prompt injection, many people know that you in a chat box you can enter text and you can enter some characters, and then you can try to manipulate LLMs, and then you can easily input your SQL query and you can get the data. And that's a basic, just like a PHP injection or the other kind of injection we do. The same way the prompt injection works in the programming language. If you are a developer, you know this better. And it is very much very old technique. So it is very much already they have covered, and many big companies already have covered. And now the prompt injection is very rare and almost negligible. It's not possible because there is just one input way, the chatbot, the interface of the chatbot, and that particular message box is just one way basically to input any text or whatever, and you have to safeguard that particular area basically. So that's very easy step. So the other part is hijacking. So hijacking can be done in various ways, various combination, and there are a lot of ways to do hijacking. So that's why it's very hard to say that any model is 100% proof from hijacking, and it is very hard to do 100% proof hijacking because let's suppose you create a web page, and in that web page you create some malicious link or text or somewhat you create a scenario, and you make it in a way that normal human will not be able to see that particular text. Maybe the background is white, text color is white, so normal human is not able to see that, or maybe you made it hidden, but LLM can read that page, so LLM can see those things. So whenever I'm asking any question to LLM will go to the particular web page, maybe that web page, and will read that page and will get the page as well information, also the link, or also those stuff on that particular page, malicious stuff. LLM can bring those stuff as well on my chat, and when that link comes to my chat and that link's call occur, that link basically get calls and post calls from my session. It can take sessions and local stories and all cookies kind of stuff, so it can easily get my token to access my account and can easily get my data and all the chats on whatever things. So that's how the hijacking can occur. And it's not only the web page. There are a lot of images on the internet, only white color image, where you can see, oh, this is just a white color, but there is a hidden text which you can't see but LLM can see. Maybe you see any picture of any animal, any human, and you're like, oh, this is just a normal picture of any animal, but there is some pattern inside that picture which you can't see but LLM can read and LLM can perform. So that's how the hijacking occurs. So this sort of hijacking, somehow some hijacking, very minor hijacking, US government also figure out that in this way you can manipulate LLM as well, the Fable 5 particularly. So that's why they were claiming that it's a very big model, so it should be more secure. So that's why they are cautious. So hopefully we will get back the Fable, and it's not very big news, which many of the YouTubers are claiming. Oh my gosh, got down, shut down, this and that. It's not very big news. So don't get overhyped by anything. Don't get too much panic. And people are like, I've seen many videos of Fable 5. Oh my god, this god level models come, AGI is come, AGI, this is that. Like for every model launch, they were like, oh my god, this have broke every record. AGI is there. So nothing is there. So chill and relax. Nothing is going to happen. Thank you for watching.